Installation location. For outdoor installation, ensure the E10 battery is installed under a shaded area to avoid direct sunshine, rainfall, and snowfall. Installation clearances. Ensure proper clearance is allowed on each side of the E10 battery. Moving the battery to the installation location. Use a pallet jack or a dolly to unload the battery crate next to the installation location. Unboxing. Unfold the crate buckles on the lower perimeter of the crate with a flathead screwdriver and hammer. Installing the mounting bracket. Mount the bracket to the wall studs for wood frame construction. Use the appropriate mounting hole spacing for your wall type. Use proper lag screws to securely fasten the mounting bracket. Minimum of 4 fasteners must be used. Ensure the mounting bracket is installed in the correct orientation. Lift and position the battery upright onto the pallet jack with brakes applied. Lift the battery to be aligned with the mounting bracket, and it will be approximately 3 feet above ground, or 1 meter. Accessing the wiring compartment. Tilt open the top lid, followed by removing the waterproofing cover. Making wire connections. Connect the power cables from the E10 battery to the inverter. Connect the communication cable assembly from the E10 battery to the inverter. Switching on battery.
Switch the E10 breaker to on positions.
Push the BMS switch. Check the LED panel on the battery for a green light. Check the inverter screen to ensure the normal LED is lit up green, and the battery capacity percentage is displayed above the battery icon. Inverter configuration. Check the inverter screen. Go to System Setup by pressing the gear button on the right top corner of the inverter screen. Go to Grid Settings. For Germany installation, select VDE 4105 for the grid mode. Then select 400 VAC for the grid level. Hit OK to confirm the settings change. Go to System Work Mode to ensure the appropriate power levels, energy pattern, and operation mode are configured. Go to Work Mode 2 to ensure the appropriate time of use settings for time, power, and battery capacity are configured. Exit the system setup by pressing the Escape button. Reinstall waterproofing cover. Put back the waterproofing cover and close the top lid.